Welcome to my channel. Today we're here at LUV Car Wash. Stay with me because at the end of the video, we're going to do trivia time. This is the wash entrance. The LUV Car Wash entrance. That is the vacuum area. We are members, but with other cars, not this one. The perks of being a member is all you have to do is go. They give you an air freshener. Put your window up, they scan your car, and you're in. But non-member, you have to scan the car, you get an air freshener, you're in. I wish I could sleep here, eat breakfast here, eat dinner here, eat lunch here, and go to school here, and that's it.
You want to live here?
Yes, I want to live here. It's my favorite place in the world. I would be if we let. I don't want. I wish we were in there forever. I wish we never left. Bro, I mean, well,
Just call me bro.
yes. This is my favorite place in the world. But LUV Car Wash invited me to go behind the scenes where you don't get to see it, but we're gonna go, but it's not today. Not today. They're gonna text us. And I can do this to two cars. Two. Let's get to it. I go to the non-member line. His job is to give you an air freshener, show you packages, and tell me to swipe the card. The president, I want to be the president and the person in there just telling them how to get on the track.
Jonah, what am I supposed to do when I enter the tunnel?
Put your car on neutral, put your foot off the brake, put your hand off the steering wheel, and put your windshield wipers off. You see that? There's this tunnel of lives. And that's the bunker. Mommy, put your car on neutral. Put your car on neutral, foot off brake, hand off steering wheel, windshield wipers off. Neutral, foot off brake, hand off steering wheel, and windshield wipers off. So this is now it's gonna be. Right now it's soap. Now the rotating brushes, and it's getting colorful and dark. Wow, it's so cool. The rotating brushes do a great job scrubbing the car. The water now. Now my favorite part, the rainbow flow. It's so colorful, friends. Now some water. It's very satisfying. We're rinsing the car again. Now the rotating brushes are gonna scrub the car again. This is such a thorough cleaning process. I like the very sharp rotating brushes. Wow, it's so cool. I cannot believe it. Now now it's the top brush. It's scrubbing the car. And it's so cool. And it's the color gray. Now some graphene. And it's like a strong shield. Do you guys know what graphene is? Okay, I'll explain to you. It's like a very strong shield that protects your car from scratches. And now here comes the dryers. And it's like thunder is flashing onto the car. And it's so satisfying. Now we come to the final part, the buffer. It's gonna buffer inside the car. It's gonna buffer inside the car for you, and it's a super cool experiment. And here we go out. This will dry our ride out, and it's like when you go to the dryers. My Nana goes to the dryers. It doesn't dry it that well, and the buffer doesn't reach the car. But this car is bigger than my Nana's, so that's why the buffer reached the car. Now it's yellow light. Yellow light means wait, and green light means go. Thank you. That was it for the wash. That was it for the wash. It was vacuum time.
Where should I go?
Oh, find a spot, guys. We're ready to do the vacuum. So let's go. We're all done. But please remember to like and subscribe. Share a heart. Trivia time. So, first question. What's the wax called at LUV Car Wash? Correct. It's called graphene. Question number 2. What is all the brushes? What is all the spinny brushes called? Correct. They're called rotating brushes. Question number 3. What is the things that shoot up the soap called? Correct. They're called soap dispensers. Question number 4. What are the things that shoot out water called? Correct. They're called water dispensers. What are the things that shoot out hot air? Correct. They're called dryers. Question number 6. What is the sign that says Tunnel of Love? Correct. It's called Tunnel of Love. Question 7. What is the thing that makes a green and yellow light? Correct. It's the light that tells you when to get off the track. Question number 8. What is the scent of the air freshener? Correct. It's called pine. Question number 9. What is the thing that shoots out air in the vacuum area? Correct. It's called an air shooter. Question 11. What is the thing that is very soft in the vacuum area? Correct. It's called a towel. Question number 12. What is the colors of LUV Car Wash? Correct. It is blue and pink. Great job, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share a heart. Bye, guys. My name is Jonah.